Micro scooter or electric scooter? Which one is actually better? One saves money. The other saves time. But choosing wrong could waste your cash. If you're thinking about buying a scooter, this quick comparison will help you decide in under 2 minutes. Let's start with speed. A micro scooter? You push with your leg. It's slow and tiring. An electric scooter? Just press the throttle, and you're flying it up to 15 to 20 miles per hour. So if you hate sweating, electric wins easily. Now money. Micro scooters are super cheap, no battery, no charging, no extra cost. Electric scooters? They cost way more. And you'll need to charge and maintain them. So if you're on a tight budget, micro scooter wins. Need something easy to carry? Micro scooters are lightweight, you can pick them up with one hand. Electric scooters? Much heavier because of the battery. So for portability, micro scooter takes it. Planning longer rides or daily commuting? Micro scooters get tiring fast. Electric scooters can go miles without effort. For convenience and distance, electric scooter wins. So here's the truth, micro scooter equals cheap, simple, and portable. Electric scooter equals fast, powerful, and effortless. If you want exercise and savings, go micro. If you want speed and comfort, go electric. Which one would you choose? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick comparisons like this.